Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be calibrating the EC6000 series. To begin, press mode once, enter the password which is 1100, and we're going to select calibration. You'll notice that the input cell is 1.0000 by default, so I need you to identify the tag which is located near the sensor and input the C value into your input cell. Okay. Now that we have inputted, we are going to immerse the sensor in a buffer solution. And as for today, I have a 1413 microsiemens solution buffer. You'll notice that the EC reading is moving up. So we are trying to achieve the reading of the buffer. We can stir the sensor to get the value faster. However, when you're close to the reading, you can just let it rest. And now we wait for the reading to stabilize. Okay, now that the reading has stabilized, we are going to adjust back the input cell to make the EC reading matches the buffer value. So let's begin by altering the second digit. Okay, so we are going to adjust the final value to increase it. And there we have it. Now that the reading is matched, press enter to save. Press mode once, and now you have a calibrated EC6000. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day ahead. Bye bye.